really gonna get this. That's how bad.
You want
Really. I want ice cream. I want to make different ice cream. Are you agree? So
I
it
agree.
should last like forever.
Till the mortar burns out.
Okay, let's get it.
Let's get it.
I'm gonna use 4 cups of the strawberry. So let me ensure this strawberry, fresh strawberry. So it's not quite 4 cups. So I'm going to add a bit more. So that's 4 cups. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wash it, of course. I always wash my fruits. So now, you know, I'm using them. I wash all my fruits. So just like that, rinse it out. Just knock down so there's knock off this dirt. Okay, so that's good enough. So I'm gonna make the ice cream I'm gonna make. It's strawberry, of course, as you can see. There's strawberry, and so this is the basic recipe that I found, and I like to make it because it's summer and it's really hot here in Texas. Talagang sobrang init, guys. So kailangan ng pampalamig. Yeah, it's pampalamig. Kaya yep, gagawa tayo ng ice cream. So ang ingredients nito, guys, ay papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. I'll show you later on. Masarap, mukha siyang masarap sa recipe. At kung gusto nyo rin yung recipe, panoorin nyo na lang itong video ko, or put description below. So para makita nyo kung paano. Simple lang siya, guys, ang ingredients, kaya hindi na siya lulutuin. Talagang simple lang siya, basic lang siya, kasi hindi na siya lulutuin eh. Madalian eh. And you know, if you are, kasi guys, gusto ko gumawa ng ice cream kasi para control ko yung makontrol ko yung sugar. The sugar, it's the ice cream, you know, it's too sweet, right? Kaya I'm gonna make my own ice cream, so that way I can control my own sugar, because unlike me, I'm diabetic, guys. Ang gagawin ko dito, ipipuree ko siya, guys, tapos lalagyan ko siya ng kunting sugar, kunti lang sugar para maganda yung pagka-puree. Diba? Okay, so kunti lang siya ng sugar, guys. So guys, i-blend ko lang siya. I-pupulse ko lang siya para hindi siya. Pwede rin siyang hiwa-hiwain, guys, kung gusto nyo. Pero i-pupulse ko na lang siya para mas madali. Tapos kaya lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting sugar. Kasi mga 1/4 lang cup ng sugar lalagay ko dyan. Ayan, chop ka lang. Tapos na. See? Bilis na. Tapos ibalik ko lang siya dito. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, sila side natin. Tapos ito siya, guys. Make a whipped cream, beat the whipped cream to soft peak. Shake muna pala siya. Shake, shake, shake before opening. Oops. Oh no. Oh no, I didn't get to open. Okay, now. Simple lang. Don't panic. No panicking. Okay. Just remove this part. So I need 2 cups, guys, of whipped cream. So put it in a bowl. Okay. Then I'm going to put this whipped cream. Oops. Saksak muna pala. Halatang hindi gumagawa ng ice cream. Okay. So, i-add natin yung condensed milk. Okay, I'm going to add the half and half. The whole 1 quart. Then the whole and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So look at that. We have a lot of ice cream. Now I'm gonna put in here to the freezer. This is our freezer. We'll make a mess, but so just let it cool in the fridge. The not ice cream yet. It's still liquidy. See? And then we're gonna put in machine. So make ice cream. Put in the machine and put the paddle. Stick it in. Cover. Stick that thing down. If you can see it. And plug it in. That make noise. Make the mice. So that's what this ice cream machine asking for. Salt and ice. So we can have the ice cream in 30 minutes or sooner. So basically fill it up all the way to the canister with salt and the ice. Okay, that's enough. I think we put too much salt. I put too much ice. But it's gonna go round and round. Looks like a bluebell ice cream. But this one is not quite as big as bluebell ice cream machine. Maker.
Not anywhere near big as the blue ice cream.
So in 25 minutes, we're gonna have some ice
It'll be
cream.
a lot longer than 25 minutes.
I'll bet you 25 minutes. Okay, so show you when it gets hard. When it gets hard, this machine stops. They're not gonna turn anymore. So it's easy to to know, to let everybody know that ice cream is ready to serve. So we have the salt, that salt right there. I probably know already. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, why we like to make our homemade ice cream? Say it, honey.
Because it's yummy.
Yeah, and plus you can, I think, you can control the sugar. So look at that, guys. It's getting hard. It's forming the ice cream. It looks like a blueberry ice cream. Look at that. Are you ready to eat this ice cream? Go ahead. No. Ice cream is done. Yay. Open.
Try it. It's suction.
Suction.
Full.
Wow, look at the ice cream. Pakita ko sa'yo. Scoop it. Right here, right here.
Where's the spatula?
Yeah. Strawberry ice cream, masarap. Nako. Wow. Now it's kidding.
Ang ulan dito, ulan tigil, isang linggo na.
Okay, put it right here.
Kaya tayo, di tayo makatapos kay bugnaw.
Sabi, giatay.
Ang ulan, lakas.
Oh my God.
Oo. Bumaha na yung sa amin sa Marikina, bumaha na yun.
Your ice cream.
Emily.
Let's put it in the sink.
Oh, Emily. Ano, si Angel.
Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like my video today for making ice cream simple and easy. So hope you subscribe if you're not subscribed my channel yet, and please click the button bell icon so that way you notify when I have my next video. Thank you. Bye. Have a blessed day. Enjoy.